Hi, everybody. It's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art, and I am so excited to give you a little preview of what we're going to paint in July. Okay? Okay, so when I was thinking about July, of course, dead of summer, right?
Yeah.
And what do you want to do when it's summer? You want to go to the beach.
That's right.
You want to go to the water. You want to explore that area. Okay?
Okay.
So picture this. You just had a day, all day at the beach with your family or by yourself, whatever you prefer. Everybody is fed. People are winding down, and you decide to walk along the wave, the shore,
Good.
as the moon is just starting to come up. And it's that beautiful pastel-y sky with these soft waves that are so peaceful and so calming that you just are like, oh, this is exactly what my soul needed. Okay?
Okay.
So welcome to Serene Surf.
Ooh. So serene.
So serene, so calm, very demure.
Demure.
But I love this project. It's really just beautiful. And I was really trying to capture that just like soft, quiet moment where you can hear those waves crashing along the shore. And maybe there's like some seagulls in the air, but it's just you walking along, taking it all in and truly appreciating just the beauty of it. Okay?
Love it.
All right. Now, continuing on, for our second project, I really wanted to capture, like, do you ever feel like you know what the world is like and then you go underwater and you're just like, what the? You know what I mean?
It's
like,
alien down here.
It's alien down here. There's so much. There's color and there's fish and there's, they live in this blue world. And you have the coral and you have all of this just gorgeous texture and movement and things that you can't even recognize. Okay?
Okay.
So welcome to our second project, Underwater Coral.
Ooh.
And of course, we're going to say underwater coral.
Coral. Where's your mother, Coral?
Where's your mother, Coral?
Of course.
But that aside, stunning. We get to play with color. I mean, this feels active. It feels like there is so much going on here. I'm going to show you how to do this. This is one of those projects where you look at it and you go, there's no way I can paint that. And I'm telling you, absolutely you can. We're going to break it down step by step. And really, it's not as complicated as you might think. Okay?
Also, stop thinking that about yourself. Where's your confidence?
Also, come on.
Come on.
Just kidding. Okay. I think this is my favorite project out of the box. It's one of those where every time I see it, I go, oh my gosh, I can't believe I just painted that.
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay. Now, for our last project, there is nothing more magical than when you're in the water, in the ocean, in the sea, and you are then swimming and something comes up right beside you to swim. Ready?
Okay.
Clear water sea turtle.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This project, we do things in a little bit different order than what we usually do. The shells do take a long time. So it's one of those things where we're going to hang out with you and we chat quite a bit.
Yep.
But it's meditative and you're kind of redoing these brush strokes and you're going to see how by adding the shadows and the glare, which is something that we do at the very end, actually, it makes this painting alive. And I think it really kind of captures that moment of like, while it's very calming and serene, there's still activity, there's still movement. And I think that's what water really captures, is it's kind of these both conflicting ideas at once, where it is calming and serene, but there's movement always, right? So I'm absolutely just thrilled for this box. All of these projects are so fun. Let me see if I can lay them all out at once here. But here is what we have in all. Maybe I'll...
Speaking of movement, they need to move a little bit. There we go.
I'm doing a
I
slow
loved it. It's very
like
good.
that. Okay. Anyways, this will be available starting July 1st. It's only going to be available as a package together for the month of July. After that, they're going in the vault. We only release the projects individually a few times a year. And so that's probably not going to happen again for a couple of more months. So honestly, if you like more than one project, it's worth it for you to get the bundle because once they're available individually, they're at a higher price point. So starting July 1st, they'll be available for the entire month of July. Once you purchase them, those videos stay in your account. So even if July is crazy for you because you're traveling, but you really want to paint these, once you purchase them, they're yours. And you can go back to them anytime you want. Okay. So I'm so excited for this box. It's so fun. It's vibrant. It's playful. We're doing new techniques. And I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. So thank you so much. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.